Alrighty guys, welcome back to another video. Happy Sunday to you guys. I hope everyone is doing well. I haven't posted in a few days, but I'm going to get back to posting this upcoming week. Got me a few new things coming in. It's going to potentially, hopefully, make my videos a little better. I'm trying to get more views on my video, guys, so I'm going to be changing things up a little bit. And I got me a nice chuck roast here. Just want to show you guys my Sunday dinner that I put together. Got me a nice chuck roast, and I already seasoned the first side. Now I'm just seasoning this top side with a little black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some seasoning salt. And I like to season it inside of my pan here because those extra seasonings are gonna make my gravy taste nice and good. So after I got it seasoned up, I just added my onions, green bell pepper. Then I'm going to come in here and add my gravy to it. This is 2 cups of water, about 3 tablespoons flour, and some Kitchen Bouquet browning sauce. Let me go ahead and get that in, and then I'm going to cover this, get this in the oven, 350 degrees. And this was a pretty big thick roast, guys. This isn't even all of the roast. I cut a piece off and put it in the freezer, but this was pretty thick, so this is going to cook. Well, I let it cook for about 3.5 hours. And while that was in the oven, I got my green beans going, got my ham hocks. I had a few pork neck bones in the freezer. I just want to season this up with a little black pepper at first, because those ham hocks does have a little salt in it. So I'm gonna get those up boiling, let them cook for about 1 hour and 20 minutes or so. They aren't going to be nice and tender just yet. And then what I did is I checked my stock here for seasoning and came back, added a little bit more black pepper and added some salt to it. Alright, and then I was being lazy today, so I did not get any fresh green beans because I didn't feel like doing any snapping. So this got me 2 cans of that Hanover green beans. I think that's the best canned green beans. And I just like to drain that liquid off and give them a little rinse. You can see I got this thing full all the way up to the top, running my pot over. But eventually that's going to work itself out. It's going to cook down and start looking like that. Then I got me some leftover chicken grease here. See, old G Rich normally does add a little bit of that fried grease to it, give it a little bit more flavor. So I said I'm going to try that out, G Rich style. I added a little bit of chicken grease to it that I had from the previous night. And that's how my green beans looking right here. They came out absolutely wonderful. I like for it to cook down really good, nice and tender like that. So this is going to be good. Then I went on and got my roast out of the oven. After about 3.5 hours, this thing came out nice and tender. You see, it just pulls apart. And I didn't put any potatoes in the roast or the green beans because I felt like yams. I've been feeling like yams or candied potatoes, whatever you want to call it, for about 2 weeks now. So I got me some sweet potatoes. I'm going to make me a little candied sweet potatoes later. So I didn't want to overdo it with potatoes today. So make me some yams later, cook me some nice rice. And that's going to be my Sunday dinner for later this evening. I'm not going to do a taste test, guys, but I know that this thing is absolutely wonderful. So I'm just going to go ahead and I am going to thicken that gravy just a little bit more for my liking. So I'll just pour that off and to a pot, thicken it up a little bit, and then add it back over the top of my roast right here. Alright guys, so like I said, I hope everyone is having a good day. I'm kind of going through it with my allergies a little bit. As soon as it starts getting warm, then my allergies start acting up on me. So I'm about to take my Sudafed and just relax for the rest of the day until I'm ready to eat my Sunday dinner. Alright guys, I hope you guys have an absolutely wonderful day. Have a great week, and I'm going to see you guys in my next video. And don't forget the hashtag, guys. Take your burdens to the Lord and leave it there. Alrighty guys, peace.